All right, guys, so let's talk about the what? The liver. Now, I've got this liver here. It's frozen because I bought so much of it from the store that I had to freeze it. I prefer fresh, but you got to do what you got to do. Don't be afraid of liver. I have it every single day. People keep being afraid of the vitamin A retinol concentration. Don't be. I mean, unless you're eating a polar bear. But if you're not eating a polar bear, then there's been no proven facts or studies that eating liver disrupts your own liver. Now, with that said, the properties in this mother sucking business are redunculous. Even high amounts of vitamin C, of course, more raw than overcooked. But y'all menstruating women, why are you not on this? Right? With the B complex and B12 and the fat soluble vitamins and the zinc and the iron and the copper. Oh, okay, but let's get into it. All you have to do is get a nice little filter on your tap and run warm to hot water over this. That will leach out a lot of the iron taste that makes it taste bitter. Now, kidney is also something you could do to run underwater for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then you might want to soak it in a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and if you can't tolerate apple cider vinegar, I can't talk today, then you just put it under the warm water, and that also will take out this metallic taste. I will show you guys, but then I would go and put it in some melted butter, let it marinate another 30 or 45 minutes, let all the butter and all the loveliness in a saute iron skillet, stainless steel skillet, and I cook that mother sucker, and it's delicious. Now, I eat raw and I eat cooked, but get on it. Y'all who are having health issues, you can't do keto carnivore without doing liver, or else you're gonna put yourself in jeopardy. You get enough fat in. And I'm out. Yeah, wait for more videos where I'm actually showing you guys how to do this stuff right.